So, how do we integrate this classroom collaboration? What students need is to be engaged. Through the 7th to 10th grade, there is an overwhelming, looming sense of senior school approaching, and I believe that there's nothing actually wrong with making a classroom more fun, as long as it's still informative. One of our assignments in history is called Debate for the Ages. This has students partaking in the various subjects they have learnt throughout the year in history, say medieval Europe for example, and they take on the role of an important figure from this era. Once every student is assigned to a real historical figure, then they have 3 weeks to try and pass a law that is both relevant to the era and to their character. They are given a law/ideology from a pre-written list and must use their knowledge to persuasively win against the other students that have the same topic who will oppose them. Reflecting on what they have learnt, they will put together a theatrical argument and character and try to convince the class why, say, for example, Henry Tudor should not be king, as told from the perspective of King Richard III. Students are allowed to use props and even present visual aid in the form of a PowerPoint or a video if deemed useful. But the overall aim of the assessment is not just to fulfill the curriculum's learned skills of communication as outlined in the ACARA website, but to further study topics that they have started to learn and to allow themselves to be a master of their topic, as only with mastery can they actually win the debate. The whole class will be involved in this process, and it's highly informative whilst having a fun, role-playing flair to it. In Year 8, students tend to be very energetic and physical, wanting to interact with friends, and having an assignment that involves dressing up and civil argument is a great way to incorporate these. Additionally, introducing historical policies paves the way for the civics and citizenship content, now with some knowledge on prior politics, because cross-curriculum blending is a great way to make all elements of the class feel relevant and also interconnected.